dear students, how are you all? Hope you're fine at home and doing really well at home. So, today we are going to do hands on mathematics. So, please take out your books. So, today we are going to start with greater than, less than. We are going to start with greater than and less than. What is greater than and what is less than? Anybody, please? Anybody wants to tell me what is greater than and what is less than? What is greater than and what is less than? We did one story, alligator. Remember Ellie the alligator? Ellie the alligator opens the mouth towards the greater number. Why? Because he wants to have more apples, more chocolates because he is hungry. He is very hungry. So alligator opens the mouth towards the bigger number, greater number because he is very hungry. Okay, so here is the story. You have seen this story before also. So I'm going to show you again. So greater than and less than. Alligator eats the amount greater. That is greater because he is hungry alligator. Yes or no? Yes, he is a hungry alligator. When the number is in the same, Al gets snappy, and you know better to use the equal sign to keep him happy. So, what you are going to do whenever the bigger sign means, can you tell me the bigger sign? The bigger sign, the mouth opened. Okay, the mouth is open. So now I have two pens in one hand and one pen in one hand. You can see this, two pens in one hand and one pen in one hand. So alligator's mouth will open towards 2. Alligator's mouth will open towards 2. So my alligator mouth will open towards 2. Why? Because 2 is greater than 1. Yes or no? Okay. Now we have 3 pens in one hand. Now we have 3 pens in one hand and no pen in this hand. So alligator will open his mouth towards 3. Yes or no? So alligators always eat that is a greater number because he is hungry. Because he is hungry. Now you can see here there are three toffees and two toffees. Alligator's mouth is open towards 3. Then there is two gifts and 4 gifts. So less than 2 is less than 4. 3 is greater than 2 and 2 is equal to 2. Getting this point? So now you can do this page. It is very easy. You can do this. So let's start our work. So please take out page number 14. Everyone, please take out page number 14 and with a pencil in your hand, show me your pencil. Everyone, show me your pencil. Good. Now, take out your book, page number 14. Show me your page number 14, everyone. Do it fast, page number 14. Okay, everyone. Now we are going to start with the work, so please concentrate on the screen. Everyone, now you can see here. Now you're going to count the apples. Can you count the apples with me? Okay, count the apples with me. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So here is some misprinting. We are going to write 14 here. Okay. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And misprinting here also, you're going to write 12 here. So 14 and 12. So 14 has more, A basket has more, B basket has less. You can write this. More means zyada, less means come. So you know 14 is more, 14 is greater than 12. So 14 A, basket A has more and basket B has less. Okay. Now you can see this cupboards. There are two cupboards, cupboards A and cupboards B. So count the teddy bear in cupboard A and then count the teddy bear in cupboard B. So cupboard A says, I am having how many teddy bears? Can you count with me? Yes. One, two, three, four, five. Five teddy bears. And B cupboard, one, two, three, four, five, six. Six teddy bears. So A has less, B has more. B has more. Less means when the count is less. Okay? When you're going to write less, when the number is small. When the number is small. When you're going to write more, when number is big. So let's count. Now there are two pots, pots A and pots B. So pot A says one, two, three, four, five, six, 7 flowers. Having 7 flowers. And pot B, one, two, three, four, five. Five. So A has 7 is bigger than 5. So A has more. A has more. B has less. B has less. Now you have C and B. Okay, there are two ponds, you can say, or you can say aquarium. So A aquarium and B aquarium. Now you have to count the fishes in the aquarium. So one, two, three, four, five, six, 7. So 7 in A. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9. 9 in B. 9 in B. So now you can write here A has less, B has more. B has more. Okay, so in this way we are comparing the objects. Yes, we are counting and comparing the objects. We are comparing the numbers. Okay, so we are comparing part A and part B. We are comparing part A with part B. So A has less, B has more. B has more. So in this particular manner, you're going to complete your module 9. You are going to complete your module 9. And now we are going to do page number 15. Now we are going to do page number 15. So now you know at which number you're going to put greater than sign. Yes or no? Yes. So greater than when the crocodile mouth is open towards the bigger number. Okay. So let's start with our work. Everyone, please take out your pencils. Don't keep your pencils down. Let's complete our work. So 7 and 4. So 7 is more or 4? 7. So you're going to put sign towards the 7. I'm showing you here with a big sign, but you have to make it in the block so that it will look neat and clean. Okay, like this. Fine. Then 4 and 8. 8. Very good. 10 and 9. 10. 10 is more than 9. 9 or 11. 11 is greater than 9. 12 or 11. 12 is greater than 11. Okay. Then 18 and 19. 19 is greater than 18. 24 or 13. 24 is greater than 13. 39 and 40. 39 is less than 40. 48 and 58. Now you can see our tens place value. This is a tens place value. So 5 is greater than 4. So automatically 58 is greater than 48. So 58 is greater than 48. Now you can see the tens place value 2 is there. So I have to go on ones place value. So 22 is greater than 20. Why? Because 20, 21, 22. So जो छोटा नंबर होता है वो पहले आता है and the bigger number comes later on. So 22 comes later on. So 22 is bigger. Or you can check the place values of the numbers. Okay. The place why to check the place values of numbers and to put the greater than and less than will help you in hundreds and thousands. Okay, tens is very easy. You can count. You can see that 96 will come later on and 16 will come first. So it is easy for us to see which number is greater than and which number is less than. But when we are talking about hundreds and thousands, then we check the place values of the number. Fine. If the place value of 1000 is already bigger than the place value of another number, then the greater sign will come towards the greater number. Getting this point? So this is the way we done in the bigger digits or bigger numbers. So you can see 68 and 58. So 68 comes on later on and 58 will come first. So 68 is greater than 58. Then 92 or 86? 92. Very good. 99, 99 equal to sign. 80, 79. 80. 71, 70. 71. 94, 91. 94. 94. Okay, so in this particular manner you're going to do less than and greater than. Okay, open the end of the sign is always towards the greater ends, greater number, and the closed ends of the sign is always towards the smaller number. Alligator's mouth will open towards the bigger number, greater number, and will close towards the smaller number. Okay, so in this way you are going to do page number 14 and 15, that is related to greater than and less than. Now it's time for your diaries, so please take out your diaries everyone. So you're going to mention the date, and then after date, we are going to mention the subject. Maths, do page number 14 and 15. Okay, so do complete your work, and we are completing till module 10. So what you're going to do? You're going to color your turtles till you're going to color your turtles till 13. Oh, till 10. We have completed till 10. Yes or no? Yes. You're going to color till 10. Fine. And you're going to do page number 14 and 15. So do complete your work. In next class, we're going to learn something new. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.